Hello, today I will be telling you when buying an iPhone, these four letters you should remember in mind when purchasing an iPhone. So, M, N, F, or P means in any iPhone model number. M means the brand new device, meaning that the device was purchased newly. We will go to the settings, general, about, and as you can see in the model number, it starts with M. So it means that I have purchased my device as a brand new. The F represents the refurbished device purchase. N represents like if you are having any issue in your iPhone and you went to the service center to replace. So it is not guaranteed that the parts put in an iPhone it is the genuine parts from Apple or it is grade A or grade B. P represent the personalized device like you have upgraded the camera or any other materials or upgraded the iPhone. So these all four letters plays a very important role when buying an iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please share, like and subscribe my channel.